I've left the car plugged in overnight. I started at 31%. I've gained 13%. We're running at 8 amps. I'm going to be here a while. There's no hurry to really charge it super fast. Anyway, there you go. We'll be here for 3 days. By 3 days, I'll be at 90 and we'll be ready to go. Here by the cabin, I was able to find this outlet. And if you see, we're continuing to charge here. The outlet drives a bunch of lights right here on the cabin. So, worked out fine. Lucky I had my mobile connector with me, as should you. You can see there's a few lakes around us here. Yeah. Any one of these lakes have fish in them. So we're going to go fishing this afternoon in one of the lakes, one that has trout in it. Our fishing guide is here. Here's our boats. We're all loading up, heading to the lake. And here we are fishing. We've got our boat crew here. Tony.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Hey, everybody.
Nice.
All right, well, let's kill them. There you go. That's our first trout here. How about that? Yeah, there's number 3. How about that? Yes, sir, there is number 4. How about that? Easy now, buddy. Easy now. Easy, easy. Watch him get off here. All right.
No, I'm good.
Make the rounds.
Make a trip out of it.
You got a bike too?
No, this is years ago. I sold mine after I retired. Yeah, we had a place.
There we go. There's our catch. We're ready to eat it.
There's a good walleye fishing in the city lake. Farm raised one.
Chickens above it, they sit in the water and you probably.
Got some more. It's over there.
No, there's more fish. Corn's over there.
Yeah.
Corn, there's more fish.
Bass.
There's more potato.
My clay was one of those. Had a lot of fish in there. I'm good.
I think I got more. But
At least drop this.
well, that's exactly true.
Corn and dough.
But you-
Oh, good, never heard.
I ain't.
I think there's
my guess is we'll just.
Yeah, man.